Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna fix an issue of Roblox. So the Roblox got stuck while loading in PlayStation, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. First of all, close the Roblox and then completely shut down the PlayStation console. Wait for few seconds and then turn on the PlayStation console again. This will help you to clear the regular glitches. But if you are unable to close the Roblox, then you have to enable the safe mode option in PlayStation. To start your console in safe mode, turn off your console by holding the power button. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again and release it after you hear the second beep sound. Now connect the controller with a USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. Now on this screen you can do three things. First of all, with this option you can easily restart your PlayStation. Secondly, with the option of clear cache and rebuild database, you can easily clear system software cache, and also you can create a new database. The third option, reset, will delete all users data and will restore the PS5 console to its original state. Also check your internet connection. Sometimes it happens because of the weak internet connection. Try to use an Ethernet cable instead of the wireless connection. And also make sure to update the system software of PlayStation console and update the game too. So these were the ways by which you can easily fix your issue. If it won't work, then simply comment down. We will help you to resolve your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.